Let me welcome all of you for this particular summer camp activity. Our motivation to do this particular summer camp was to motivate all of you to learn the exciting areas of biology and bioengineering. As everybody will appreciate in this particular pandemic time, that how crucial it is for us to know the basics of biology, because without basic research it is not possible for us to really handle this kind of pandemic. Viral evolution is going to happen, other pathogens are going to be there, and you never know, all these kind of biowars are going to be seen. So we have to be much better prepared, and understanding these basic concepts are going to be very crucial. And this has really been seen in this current time, which all of you have realized. What I'll do, because everybody is there right now, I will just walk you through with our lab and show you a couple of things, which we are doing right now at IT Bombay. Of course, we'll have a lot more interaction in the summer, but I'll just give you a glimpse of the how a research lab looks like, which does work in the biology, and also right now we are doing some work in the COVID, right? So let me just take you to the lab and give you a lab tour. How studying the entire proteins and their proteome can be very crucial to understand the various fundamental questions. So I'll first show you one of the facility which we have established to do the proteomics analysis, which is quite instrument driven field. It involves lot of sophisticated high set of instruments which are known as mass spectrometers, which can analyze thousands and thousands of protein. Of course, I don't want to talk about how that works right now, but all you can see that there are a variety of high-end instruments and gadgets which are being used here to understand these complex biological processes. You must have heard about next generation sequencer, NGS, one of the instruments is NGS, which can do the genome sequencing. And of course, in the current time, knowing about this virus for SARS-CoV-2 and other pathogens, it became very crucial for us to be equipped with these molecular biology tools, right? So this is just a general lab view where a lot of researchers, they are doing research, they are doing their own experiments, and many tools which we are currently what you are hearing in the field of molecular biology, which is samples being sent for diagnostics. All of those are being analyzed in these kind of labs. But of course, we are not diagnostics lab. We are doing more of the research. But currently, my lab is also doing a lot of work in the COVID area, variety of ways of looking, understanding this virus and the host human response, right? And several instruments which are being used in the common molecular biology. Of course, we are not going to give you demo right now, but those are all available here, which is especially different type of polymerase chain reaction, real-time PCR, microarray scanner. What you see in my back is the high-end server which can be utilized for processing your data, different type of data processing units. All of these things are part of a molecular biology lab. Uh, we thought we will at least try to give you as much glimpse and feel of doing research from your home as much as possible, and these are the efforts in that direction. Of course, you cannot do the experiments right now, but we will be trying to show you at least some experiments which can be shown live, and also what data we generate from those experiments. You can at least try to learn those data analysis even sitting at your home. So, well, welcome to the summer camp, which is still we have not started. We are seeing huge response, lots of interest among students from different schools all over India. We are currently all right. Hearty congratulations, Parvesh, Rohit, and Aditya. So, Parvesh, could you tell you are from where, you are studying in which class?
Hi, sir. I'm from Chennai. I just finished 10th grade.
You are in which school?
I'm in Gateway, the complete school.
All right, hearty congratulations. Wonderful. And second winner,
Hello, sir. I'm Rohit Kattimani. I'm the second winner.
hi Rohit.
Hi, sir. I'm from Bangalore. I'm currently studying in 9th grade in Anthony Claret School.
Wow, wonderful. At ninth, you have so good knowledge.
Yes, sir.
Great.
And preparing for national standard examination in biology. So I had studied this in NCRT in the cell unit.
Excellent. Very good. And third is Aditya.
Good
Aditya.
afternoon, sir. I am Aditya Gupta. I live in Panvel and I'm from Delhi Public School, Panvel.
Wonderful. Hearty congratulations to all three of you. And there are two runner-ups. Please tell your name and about yourself. Did you see your names, runner-up students? You are in fourth positions.
So fourth position is Anamika.
And
Good evening, sir. My name is Anamika Mishra. I'm currently studying in standard 11 from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, in a school, Maharshi Patanjali.
wonderful. Congratulations. Last one.
Hello, sir. My name is Ishan Ghosh. I'm from Mumbai. I study in Kendra Vidyalaya, IIT Powai.
Congratulations, Ishan. So wonderful. Hearty congratulations to all the winners. This was more subjective, but as we go along, we'll have more on the common subjects, including something on the COVID biology and all. So we'll have more. All right. So senior quiz 2 winner is Rishabh Nag, and second winner is Yesh, or you have to tell your exact name. And Anandu is third winner. So congratulations to all the winners. I saw Rishabh was from first to last question every time he was on top. So Rishabh, please introduce yourself. What are you doing right now?
I'm Rishabh Nag from Kolkata. I'm currently in my UG third year, pursuing BSc in Botany from Calgary University.
All right, hearty congratulations. Very well done.
Hi, sir. I'm Yashaswini.
Yes, you are where? What are you doing?
Yes, sir. I'm coming from Chennai and I'm pursuing my biomedical sciences degree, BSc degree in Ramachandra Medical College.
Wonderful, congratulations. Third winner? Anandu?
Hello. Hi, sir. Nice to meet you. Myself, Anandu Jain. I'm from Kerala and pursuing from Kerala, sir, and I'm pursuing my PG in Bharatiya University, Coimbatore.
Very good. And